bring the style, make the whole city smile. Holy fashion, we're taking it to the top. Customized furniture, we won't ever stop. Luxury for all, yeah. We're never gonna flop. Beds, sofas, chairs, we got it all. High quality craftsmanship, you can't ignore. From the living room to the bedroom floor. OE fashion with the ones you adore. Step into a showroom, let your dreams unfold. Imaginations run wild, we'll turn them into gold. From classic to modern, every style we mold. With OE fashion, your home will never be cold.
Reserved for few, OE fashion brings elegance to me and you. Handcrafted masterpieces, comfort divine, making opulent living for every home shine. OE fashion, luxury for all, affordable indulgence within your call. From humble abodes to noble estates, our craftsmanship elevates luxury awaits. Experience the comfort, style so grand. Luxury is no longer just for the rich to demand. In our world of fine furniture, where dreams take flight, attainable opulence, shining ever so bright. OE fashion, luxury for all, affordable indulgence within your call. From humble abodes to noble estates, our craftsmanship elevates luxury awaits. Experience the comfort, style so grand. Luxury is no longer just for the rich to do.
Looking to revamp your space, make it shine. OE fashion, gonna make it prime. Custom furniture designed just for you. Interior design, dreams coming true. From the living room to the bedroom too, we got the style that's right for you. Sleek and modern, or rustic and rough. OE fashion got the perfect stuff. Endless options, colors and materials will make your interior ethereal. From couches to tables, chairs to shelves, OE fashion, express yourself. From the living room to the bedroom too, we got the style that's right for you. Sleek and modern, or rustic and rough. OE fashion got the perfect stuff. Endless options, colors and materials, We'll make your interior ethereal. From couches to tables, chairs to shelves, no reflection, express yourself. From the living room to the bedroom too, we got the style that's right for you. Sleek and modern or rustic and rough, but we fashion got the perfect stuff. Rolling in with style, make the whole city smile. Oh, we fashion, we're taking it to the top. Customized furniture, we won't ever stop. Luxury for all, yeah. We're never gonna flop. Beds, sofas, chairs, we got it all. High quality craftsmanship you can't ignore. From the living room to the bedroom floor, oh, we fashion with the ones you adore. Step into a showroom, let your dreams unfold. Imaginations run wild, we'll turn them into gold. From classic to modern, every style we mold. With all we fashion, your home will never be cold.
Fashion luxury for all.